Hi, this is James Glass with James Glass Company, and this video is on metal alignment for fixtures. This particular fixture is a rack for the Red Rack program offered by Ride Solutions in Roanoke, Virginia. I was commissioned to make just a few of these racks, just 15 of these racks, for their bicycle program. Local businesses can contact Ride Solutions at ridesolutions.org and request a rack for out in front of their business. It's really fantastic. And the executive director there, Jeremy Holmes, wanted to do a local fabrication, and I designed it, and I'm building these racks using reclaimed materials, and we're saving a bunch of money and using reclaimed materials at the same time. But this video is about metal alignment in general, not necessarily specifically this program. This applies to a lot of fixtures that I build. If I was going to do a couple hundred of these, I'd actually make up a jig so that I could do this very efficiently, but since I'm only doing 15, I'm just taking individual measurements, because the time it would take me to make the jig is way more time than it would to just simply align what is effectively just a few parts. This particular design is approximately 3 foot tall and 2 feet wide. It's going to be a bicycle rack. There's a sign that goes in here, and I had already aligned the top of this to be parallel here. This distance is preset to accommodate a sign that goes in there. And right now I'm putting on the feet. And so what you can see here, it's critical that the feet be parallel to one another, and that this angle be 90 degrees from the vertical. So you can see here that I'm simply using a speed square to determine the foot is in fact 90 degrees from the vertical. You can maybe see it a little bit better on this side. If I get in there, you can see that is like that. And to determine parallel, I'm simply using 2 framing squares between the 2 feet. I've also made very small notches there to line the feet and get everything centered so that the distance from the center of this is the same to the outside of each foot. Now the tolerances for my design, anything can be within 2 degrees. So a 90-degree angle, for example, could be 88 to 92. And then in terms of length, I have a 4 millimeter variance. This is an outdoor public rack, and not a precision instrument. So if I'm within 2 degrees and 4 millimeters, it'll be fine. I'm actually within half a degree and usually 1 millimeter on this, so I'm actually doing very well. So it'll be a nice, straight, good-looking rack, and people can be proud to have it out in front of their business. And yeah, that'll be it. So that's the video on alignment for welding fixtures, doing it in a custom manner as opposed to making up a jig to assemble this, and thank you for watching.